Hello there, welcome back. So I got this 2017 Chevy Traverse LT. As you can see, that's the trim right there, LT. So I'm doing the starter on it. So after in the middle of the job, I decided I'm going to do a video to show you guys the step to take and the easiest way to get to it. So first we're going to make sure I disconnect the battery terminal from the battery. So it's located underneath the passenger side seat. As you can see right there, this piece cover it. This cover, someone was already trying to get it done, so I come to continue. So this is the cover that go over the battery underneath the seat to the passenger side. Make sure to secure the other jack stand as well. Got some tools. So this is the starter right here. Show what it look like. Alright, so you can get the starter on Amazon, pretty cheap there. So these are some bolts I removed from the starter. I use this 15 socket to get the bolts. This is a 15 to get the bolt from the starter from bottom. And after using this ratchet handle on it, it's a bit shorter, so I have to use a pry bar to pry against it to pull the bolt. So let it go easier. And from the top, there are some bolts that hold the catalytic converter. So these are the bolts. I'll show you the tool. So I use the same 15 to pull the bolt from top. The extension. So I use this long extension right here to get the bolts. As you can see, it's a swivel head. Flex edge extension to get it. As you can see, it's flexible. And I also remove this pump out of the way right here. Carry two 10 bolts that hold it in place right here. From the top, so I get those 3 nuts from the top. I can remove this heat shield. Give some 10 bolts, 3 of them to hold the heat shield on top. Alright, so I'm gonna need. So that's the starter right there. Hold on. Alright, so I already removed the bolts from the starter. That's it. So I got some other wires to get loose. Come up there, guys. So I'm going to remove the starter now and show you guys the other wires I have to remove from the back of it. You can see right there, that one is burnt off. Right there, the light shining, guys, so it burned off right there, so it won't crank the vehicle. So I'm going to do another part of the video, guys, to show you how to remove it. Alright, guys, so back to the video. So there is a what they call it, there is a knock sensor on the, you can see right there, that's the knock sensor hanging down right there. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus right there and show you guys. Alright, so this is knock sensor. You have to remove it from behind the starter so you can get enough room to get it out. So just have it hanging right there like this. So I use a 13 socket to loose it, guys. So you can just left it hanging like this instead of pulling it. So as you can see right there, guys. So also to get the muffler to come down easily, I remove this bracket right here and use some 15 sorry, use 15 socket to pull those bolts. There, guys. Right there. Put the converter to this side so I can get enough space or enough room to get it right. So let's see if I can get the starter. Because of the wire on the back of it is a bit tight to remove it, guys, but It will come. Okay, I might have to use this pry bar to pry it out. Alright, here we go. So I get it down. Just need to get off the wire because I'm using my one hand to get the wire, so I have to do it stage by stage. So now I'm going to pause the video and see if I can remove those wires from the back and get back, guys. Alright guys, so I just removed this 13 nut from the back of the starter that hold the power wire. That's it, 13. This is the 13 socket. So I have to remove this orange clip that hold the clip right there, and then I'm gonna squeeze this there's a clip you're gonna squeeze. Let me show you guys. So this is the starter, I'll take it out. Alright, so hold on. So this is the clip that you're gonna press it in and push it off, guys, from it. So this piece push behind here in this groove, push right here to lock it. This orange piece, so just gonna slide it out. That's it, guys, right there. So let me get to this starter. Alright, so that's it, guys. So I need to get this nut loose right here. So find the correct tool. Let's see if this is alright. So this is a T25. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to put it on the new one. As you can see, these wires damaged right there, burnt. You have to knock this starter for it to crank the car. Hit it a few times. Alright, so alright. Alright, so there is a but this nut on it, guys, in case it hits something, it doesn't damage the threading. So I'm going to see if I can get it back in that hole. Alright guys, so I just have the wires to attach back to this back of the starter right here. So I'm gonna fit it back in, guys, and then get back to you guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'll get the starter back inside here. You can see fit back there, 2 bolts on top at the bottom. Got the wires to the back. So I got the knock sensor to put back in place. That's it right there. So it goes right behind the starter. Guys, so I'm gonna get it back in place. That's it. So I hope this video helped you all out there. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.